How to add Alfred RFID cards to your DB2S or ML2 lock models. Your first step is going to enter your master menu by entering your master PIN code.
Master mode. To change the master
Going to number 2,
user PIN code,
and then we're going to select number 3.
card already exists.
We're going to take our provided RFID card, which comes in the box with your DB2S locks, and we're just going to tap it.
Enrollment successful. 1 card. All to change the
And that's all you have to do. We've now added your RFID card to your lock. As you can see on our DB2S models and ML2, it does have a voice-guided menu system, which will help you through the menu and setting your settings in with your lock.